So we have finished with logical backups. Now we will move to physical backups. See, it is used to make duplicate file from operating system, that is CRD, control, redo and data files. So in this, two types of backup will be there, cold backups and hot. Cold backup is very simple. Database can be in archive log mode or no archive log mode. Yesterday what we have studied, for backup it should be in archive log mode. It is, it was, otherwise it will give you error. No exp imp command will execute if it is not in archive log mode. But for cold backup, not necessary, because my database is complete shutdown. That's why no problem for me, whether it is in archive or no archive. Hot backup, it must be in archive log mode.
Because it is running.
Yeah, running. So cold backup steps are shut down the database, copy CRD files to backup location and start database. That's it. But shutdowning the database is in company not possible. That's why hot backup we have to take always. First I will show you how to take the cold backup. It's simple. See here. First step, shutdown. Compulsory. Otherwise you can't copy those CRD files. Exit. On disk 2 I am creating by name physical. My actual data is in Aura data mesh 1. This is my original database files. The physical files are in this particular folder. Okay. What I will do, I will copy all these files. Copy star all disk 2 Aura data physical. Oh shit, yeah.
There is no permission.
Like that it is not accepting, so I will move from this to that folder. We have to give the permission, then only he allows. Which, because this files in Nash1, it is in read only mode. It is not allowing to copy these files.
So you give batch read permission to copy
both folders, Nash1 as well as the folder which I am creating. See, disk 1, this Aura data and Nash1. So what I will do, I will give the rights to this Aura data only, so that all right click and here see permissions, this file access, read and write, read and write, folder access, read and write, like this, and allow executing. See, apply permissions. Huh?
Yes.
And one OK button is there below.
Yes.
This will not come up.
Yes.
Just press tab 2 times.
Ah.
1, 2 and press enter. Okay. This Aura data and disk 2
But there is no.
Aura data, that physical. So what I will do, I will give the permission to this also.
Right. So
Hmm? Read and write. Read and write. And access, read and write. Okay. This is not possible from that current user. From root only you have to. Shit, yeah. Can you do this?
From this one to this one. Duplicate the file.
In that physical folder.
Yes.
From Nashwan, in Nashwan we have created one physical folder, so we are making a copy there only. If any folder works, no problem for us. That I can solve again from root, that disk 2 is telling na. I can solve again because that partition I have to give the rights. Disk 2 first. I have given Aura data na. That partition, on that partition, so he is leaving first these directories. Okay, he is not taking directories. CP command only files he will copy. But it will take time. Physically backup cold means complete. Control file means entire database, table spaces, whatever right now the last shutdown we are having. So it should shut down properly. Then only you should take cold backup. What error is giving? No, permission denied is telling na. No error na. Yes, complete. Just I will go and once check it. Aura data, Nashwan and under physical. Yeah. Okay. All files are there. Now, what backup you have taken previously, database backup through that traditional or data pump or maybe through incremental. If you recover that, so these physical files should be there with that database set. That's why cold and logical, both the things should be there. If you want to drop the database, complete database means I will drop the logical things, schema, all the things. Logically my database will be dropped because database comes in logical part, but his physical files are this. So if you recover that database, here you have to apply these physical files. Okay. So we are having one backup copy now. If any problem is there in database, if all files goes from Nashwan also, what I will do, I will copy this files. If you want to see, you can just delete redo log file and startup, give startup command, error will come. Okay, what I will do, under this only I will create one more directory, mkdir -p, that is disk 1 -1 hot backup. Now I want to show you hot backup, how to take hot backup. This cold backup finish, that's it, copying all files from one location to another location. It's simple, shut down and copy all the things, just cp command. Okay, this folder I will be using. Now how to take the hot backup? Here, before taking the backup for that particular DBF file, physical file I am taking backup but without shutdown. Okay, so first you have to check the traffic, means which data file is used by many of the users. So don't take the backup of that file, because he is in use, he will take too much time. Check which data DBF file is not in use, means 100 users are connected with this particular file, my table space. So don't go for that backup, otherwise that system will be slow, because here backup is going on and they are also connected. So first check all the things before backup. How to check? I will show you simple queries. Which user connected to database, you can see that. Okay, just say connect production, production, fine. Again I will come sysdba. Now if you give username from $session, this is one of the table where username is not null, just give this query. So is connected, sys is connected.
If you open new terminal and
that production will be, means you can easily see production is in use. Don't go for that. And production is connected with which table space? You can see that DBA table spaces, DBA data files, there you will find which schema is connected with which table space. You can find that also, no? I have shown you which table space is connected with which data file and schema, table name, DBA, extents, all the things we have seen in table space management. So just check this, then go. Again see, select username comma default table space, what I was telling right now, from DBA underscore users. Here you will find, see, U1 is connected with production username, then system CSOX. U1 is connected with accounts, user data is connected DIP. This, in this way you can find out the things. Then you have to start with backup. Okay, now I want to take the backup of you can say that system file. This system file I want to take the backup. My database is in running mode now. How to take the system backup? Copy system data file to that hot folder, hot backup folder. Okay, what we have created. So first you have to give the command alter table space system, the table space name, whichever file you want to copy, one by one, not all. In that code no problem, star, all files copied, but here one by one. Check the table space, in use, not in use, not in use, copy that one by one. So I am copying, deciding to copy system. Begin backup, this command you have to give. alter tablespace system begin backup. So your tablespace is altered. Now you are in backup mode.
Yes.
Now you can easily copy that file, cp command. Without not going to Linux, use exclamation mark. If you want to run the Linux command through SQL, you can use exclamation mark. Okay. Disk 1, the actual file is where? No, from Nash1 na, the actual file. You are making a duplicate of your actual file. Huh? So it is in Nash1 system.dbf. Where you want to copy? One more copy you want na of this file. If my system file corrupts anytime, I can use this file then. Till date, till time. Okay, disk 1, Aura data and hot backup.
What's
Only hot or hot backup? Hot na? Okay, in this folder I want to keep the file name system only. Yeah, copy. Finish. My backup has been finished. Now, as soon as fast possible, alter tablespace system, give the command end backup. Because you are in start mode.
Yes,
What happens when you give the begin backup? Your header row, that block management, we have studied that header file na,
yes.
that is locked
Yes.
for some time.
Yes.
Means my data is not coming, locked. Copy the file fast and again open. My header file is open, my data is coming.
Yes.
This is the concept of hot backup. In this way you can take each and every file backup. User data, CSOX data, undo, whatever DBF file you want. This is nothing but a hot backup. Clear? But without shutdown I have taken the backup. One more copy is there with me. Same DMTS, LMTS, whatever the DBF file you want to take the backup, you can take, no problem. In this way, just file name will change.
Yes.
If you want to check it, select star from $v backup. See, on this particular date I have taken the backup. File number, status not active, chain number and time. No, this what I mean to say. If you want to check, suppose if you give the command begin backup and you have copied and you have not given the end backup,
You will still.
$v backup, which files are in backup mode till now, you can check it out here. Active he will show you.
Yes. You will see active. But it will affect the when you.
Yes. Row header is locked, na?
Yes.
That's why. So you can check this. If any file database is missing, which I have not done end backup, so easily you can check here and just go with end backup command, alter tablespace name end backup. Okay. Not active means begin database, active means the tablespace is in backup mode. But this is regarding data file, how to take the backup of data file, not with control file. My control file is something different. How to take the backup of control file? Okay, to take backup of control file, you have to give the command alter system switch log file. I have explained you yesterday what is about switch log file, that archive log mode.
Yes.
Okay, now how to take the backup of control file? Alter database. Okay, backup control file 2. This is the command where you want disk 1 Aura data, suppose hot, in that only I will take. Okay, hot, and by same name if you want you can take same name control.ctl, or you can give suppose c1.ctl, no problem, so that you can understand. Single quotes here. Yeah, database altered means your copy has been done. Clear? This was the method how to take the finish, how to take backup without shutdown. That backup is known as hot backup, and after means after shutdown, if you are taking the backup, that is cold backup. We will just check it out. Disk 1 Aura data hot. Yeah, see, clear? Finish with physical backups. How to restore, that will be the different part. Without